We are here at Hersheypark and we are gonna take a look at Tidal Force. It's the last season it's gonna operate. And I'm gonna tell you what I think is gonna take its place. I mean, this is a lot of room right here. There we go. I don't see them tearing this station down that basically had this brand new roof put on not too long ago. I could see them reusing that for something, for sure. I really believe there'll be some kind of water coaster of some sort, or maybe even a raised or elevated river rapids ride. That's what I honestly believe will be here at Hersheypark. Wow. There will never be anything that brings that big of a splash. Tidal Force really, I bet you that splash is over 50 foot, maybe 60 foot high. It's insane. I think it's noteworthy to mention that the exit here hasn't been used in like a year or two, and you just exit off from where you enter. So I'm pretty sure that's getting torn down. In fact, they don't even let you stand up there anymore. Look, where you would get off of this thing, they have this gate up there, so this hasn't been used in a while. It's gonna get torn down. Be the first thing to go after this ride gets dismantled. There is a lot of room here. It's a little misleading, but there could definitely be some kind of water coaster here or something. I think a mock power splash coaster would be perfect here, and it would allow for actually a water park expansion and the coaster itself. Like, they could expand the water park on this side over here, or do a water attraction over there, or expand the water park over there and add a mock power splash coaster here. I don't know, but it'll be interesting to see. But look at that. I mean, there's nothing that gets you that soaked. Look at these people. They are soaked. It's definitely going to be missed, but I'd rather see a river rapids ride here. An elevated river rapids ride would be ideal for this location. I'd sacrifice the extra water slides or a water park expansion for that. They definitely need something to replace Canyon River Rapids. It was a beloved ride here at Hersheypark, and I want to see them bring that back. What do you think, Haley? Do you want to see them bring Canyon River Rapids back?
Yeah. Even though I never been on it because I wasn't alive yet.
I know, but it's so good. It was so good. It was such a good ride at Hersheypark. And I think the people here want to see another Canyon River Rapids ride. Especially the locals here, like myself. That's what we want. Hopefully Hershey can do something of the sort. It would be, they're always such a great ride, and a lot of people love river rapids rides. I know a lot of parks are doing away with the normal river rapids rides, and a lot of them are switching to the elevated ones, which makes a lot more sense. And Hersheypark has always been good at utilizing their space better than any other park. That's why you see coasters like Storm Runner that are sitting on top of other rides and things like that. They could literally put an elevated river rapids ride and use all the extra space for an expansion for the boardwalk. So I like it. I think it's a win-win for everyone. Extra water rides and an awesome river rapids ride. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I also think a mock power splash coaster would be ideal as well. And I think that would allow for extra space for the water park as well. This area is huge. I'm going to show you a little bit more of the area that this thing's located on, but you'll see what I mean when I say an elevated river rapids ride. Another reason why I don't think they're going to add anything water park wise. I mean, they just did this past year. So look at all this structure here for Tidal Force. It almost looks like Tidal Force, that the entire water park was built around Tidal Force. Like they would have to remove this bathroom here and a bunch of stuff to add to the water park, in my opinion. I don't know for sure, but that's what it looks like to me. So I could definitely see a water ride replacing a water ride versus adding on to an already pretty good sized water park. I don't really see what else they could really add. And by elevated river rapids ride, this is basically what I'm talking about. These are not so common here in the United States, but over in Europe, there's quite a few of these different elevated river rapid rides. Like seriously, look at all this room. That station, fairly new, like I said. I don't see them tearing that station down. It'll be utilized for something. I don't see them using it for a water park attraction, but that's just me. I would really be curious to know what everybody else thinks. Here we go, baby. Look at that. This is what finishing the night on Tidal Force looks like. Yep, we marathoned that sucker.
We went on it like 5 times.
It was great. We still love it. Water ride motivation. River Rapids ride or bust Hersheypark.
We want a river rapids ride.